It's 700 hours. Amsterdam, home of Shipdock.
The project has been a challenging project.
Focus on the environment.
Polarcus Naila is here for an extensive propulsion upgrade. This job is a major challenge for any shipyard, even one with more than 80 years of experience.
We're very excited about what it will deliver us.
The deadline for the project is tight, just 35 days. As well as the propulsion upgrade, a new ballast water treatment system has to be fitted. A new workboat and davits will be installed, and she'll undergo her 5-year special survey. One of Shipdock's expert divers prepares to make the final checks. The team know time is of the essence. They have just 35 days. Meanwhile, on board, there's still a lot to be done. Welders are busy carrying out the final touches. Final checks are made. Kilometers of cables are examined and stored safely. Work can start. Prefabrication and outfitting work on the 2 gondolas was handled by Neron Steel, a sister company of Shipdock, which is also on site. The massive 60-ton thruster is carefully removed from the vessel. Here, the team's many years of expertise all comes into play. An expert eye is combined with intricate, detailed engineering, coordination, and seamless teamwork. They all know their individual role. They all understand the complexities involved. The Shipdock team is ready. Months of planning mean they are fully prepared. They know this vessel needs to be about her business, back surveying the world's oceans as soon as possible. Now for the gondolas, each one weighing 100 tons. Safety precautions are put in place. Roads are closed off. The tight-knit Shipdock team is in position. Shipdock always partners companies that are leaders in their field, and this case is no exception, as the internationally renowned specialist Mammoet carries out the heavy lift transport of the gondolas. In a tandem lift operation, the yard's crane and a Mammoet crane, with a capacity of 140 tons, gently lower the first gondola and low loaders into the dry dock. Again, teamwork is key. Shipdock and Mammoet work effortlessly together. The Shipdock team is focused. After months of meticulous planning, the gondola is carefully jacked up to the vessel. Precision engineering and precision timing are necessary. Work goes on around the clock. Once the gondola is safely attached, the frames are finally removed. But there is no time to rest. The welding sparks continue to rain down. Shipdock has just 35 days to complete the job. The clock is ticking. Teamwork, expertise, coordination, dedication. The huge nozzle is successfully fitted to the gondola, but there is still more to be done. Welding continues. The huge propellers are waiting to be assembled in the production hall. The shipdock team carry out the final checks and the rudder is being prepared. The bolts are going in. In this business, time is literally money. Every moment spent in a dry dock is a moment when Polarcus Naila isn't earning money. The propeller is nearly ready. The night shift takes over. Shipdock operates 24/7, whatever it takes to get the job done. Work goes on throughout the night. Measuring, welding, checking, rechecking. They don't notice the sunrise over Amsterdam. They have a job to do. The propeller is ready. The new propeller is carefully hoisted up under the watchful eye of the shipdock supervisory team. Nothing is overlooked. The team deal with the task in hand. The propeller edges towards the vessel. They delicately maneuver this huge piece of equipment. Coordination and cooperation come natural to this team, many of whom have worked with each other for years. A bit to the left, almost there. Chains are adjusted. The propeller safely in place. They've done it. But despite her new propeller system, Polarcus Naila is still not looking her best. Using the latest paint blasting techniques, Shipdock has prepared her, ready for a fresh coat of paint. And in line with the Polarcus's policy, environmentally friendly anti-fouling coatings are applied. The final touches are made. She emerges gleaming, looking like a brand new vessel. On a misty April evening, the Polarcus Naila is ready. In her fresh green and white livery, she pushes off from the berth and slowly departs Amsterdam, ready to face her next job. The shipdock team and customer Polarcus know this was a tough challenge given the tight schedule. Cooperation was key, but they can rest assured that this was a job well done.